Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable Cloudflare. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, let's start by opening your web browser and logging into Cloudflare. Once you've landed on the Cloudflare dashboard, the next step is to navigate to your specific domain. Look for your domain in the list and click on it. It will take you straight to your domain's details page. Now that you're in your domain settings, scroll down the page until you come across the Advanced Actions section. It might take a bit of scrolling, but don't rush. Once you're in the Advanced Actions area, the next move is to locate the option to pause Cloudflare. Click on the Pause Cloudflare button. This action will temporarily disable Cloudflare services for your domain. After clicking Pause Cloudflare, a confirmation pop-up will likely appear, asking you to confirm this action. Just click on Pause to execute this change, and there it is. Cloudflare is now paused for your domain. And that's it. So that is how you can disable Cloudflare. So that's all for this video. Thanks.